Have you just bought your brand new side-by-side refrigerator and had it delivered? Is it making a weird boiling or gurgling sound? Don't panic. This is our brand new Frigidaire. Apparently it happens not just with Frigidaires, but it also happens with other side-by-sides. Last night, we plugged it in, we had it becoming temp, and all of a sudden we came out and snuck out to see if it was temp, and we opened the doors. Just like that. And the hot air from the garage and the cold air from inside the refrigerator made it do this amazing gurgling sound. I thought, oh my gosh, they've just delivered a dud. Thankfully, that is not what happened. It's to be expected. I got online and I checked with AI. I put the brand and the style number inside. I told it that it was having this gurgling noise. Now that became really concerning because this doesn't have an ice maker. So as far as we're concerned, there's no water attached to it. Apparently that's true, but there's a reason that it was gurgling and boiling. So thankfully, AI explained it to me that it was the heat from our garage mixing with the coolness of the interior of the refrigerator. And when that happens and you shut the doors, all of a sudden the refrigerator is trying to get back up to its temperature. And when that happens, a brand new refrigerator in the water pan, it doesn't have enough water and it creates like a suction, like a straw, and it makes the gurgling sound or the boiling sound, depending on how you're hearing it. They said that thankfully it would last about 8 to 12 hours, but it can take up to a couple of days. And the first thing that you should do is you should start putting food in it once it's temped, because that takes out some of the pressure. So thankfully today we came outside, and as you can hear, it doesn't do that. There's no more gurgling. I never heard the boiling. I really heard it as a gurgle. And thankfully, my way too expensive garage refrigerator is working perfectly. So if you are having that same experience, do not be scared. Do not be afraid. Give it a strong 8 to 12 hours and then 4 days, depending on your refrigerator, depending on manufacturer, depending on temperature of the room that it is in, and it will start to balance itself out. Less than 24 hours, working like a dream. Have a beautiful day.